going on YouTube? It's your boy Trav again, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing the Axial Stage 2 interior lights from American Muscle. I purchased them about a couple days ago and they did real good. It's 2-day shipping, and so it finally got here, and I'm going to back my car up to my garage and show you how to put them in exactly. Oh. Can I get a ride? No? Okay. Guess not. But, alright, let me back the car up and first give you this cold start. Alright, so this is the dome light. All you have to do is just take your hands and gently pry this back. And there's two clips. There's a clip right here. There's a clip on this side. And once you pry this back, there'll be a switch behind here where the light is. Switch behind here where the light is. You just pull it out, take the light out, and then reinsert, and then put the clip back. So as you see, I took the dome light off, and then now you see here's the light. All I have to do is just take it from out of the housing. You usually just pull it out, and then you just take a rag or something and then just pull out the bulb. And then you do the same to that side, and then you reinsert it back. You reinsert it back, and then that's it. Now that that's changed, the dome light looks very good. The cool white light, then that cheap yellow white looking light that Ford do. Yeah, this is way better. They should be ashamed of themselves putting in that cheap light in a $30,000 car. Anyway, move right along to the vanity mirror. Now from here, you take your vanity mirror, open it up, and then you'll see, I guess my face, hello. And then you'll see the white looking light right here. Well, white. You can take a flathead screwdriver, take it right here towards the edge right here, pop that off, right here, pop that off, and then there'll be a screw right there and a screw right there, and then you unscrew the screws, put the screws in the cup holder, that way you can keep up with them. And then once you do that, close this back, take your hands and pry this off, and then you can just take the bulbs out and then put the new bulbs back in, close it, lift it back up, reverse everything you just did, put the screws back in, and then put the cases back on. And then there's your vanity mirror. So you do it for that side and your passenger side as well. Vanity mirror and dome light. And then you do the same thing I said over there earlier. As you saw earlier was a Gerber. You can use pliers, Gerber, you know, whatever you have. But you know, that's just what was in my car currently. So I ain't feel like going to the trunk to get tools. But yeah, I guess now we'll go down to the glove compartment light, and then we'll do the trunk next. Now we can go to the glove compartment. Now, don't mind that junk, but some people, they can get to the light, which is like right here, right there, they can get to it without, excuse me, they can get to it without having to lower this part. Some people can, so we're gonna just, you know, lower it and then take your finger or pliers and then go in there and just pull the bulb out. Finally, open your trunk and go underneath, and you'll see this light housing. All you have to do, take your screwdriver and get behind here and pop that out, and then pop on the left, pop on the right side, because this side is where the harness is. And so once you take it out, unhook the harness, take the bulb out, put the bulb back in, put the harness back up, and then pop back in.